Hello and welcome to this R tutorial. So in the previous tutorial, we got the exciting result of the total reward being 2,178 and therefore almost doubling the total reward we get with the random selection algorithm, which was around 1,200. So that was the first exciting result. And we also got another exciting result, which was, the best ad to show to the user given by this ad selected vector by looking at the last round here containing only 5s. That showed us that the ad with the highest conversion rate is the version number 5 of the ad. So 2 exciting results, and now to finish this section even better, we will have a look at the histogram to have a quick look at the overall strategy, to see the number of times each ad was selected and how the selections of ad number 5 dominate the selections of the other ads. So that's going to be very quick and easy, because we simply need to use hist, which is right here, enter. And now as input, we simply need to get the variable that contains the values we want to plot on this histogram. And that's of course the ad selected vector. Because this vector tells us which ad was selected at each round. And so this histogram method here will look at the number of times each ad was selected in this ad selected vector, and that will plot the histogram. So basically we're done. And now just to make it better, we can add a color. So we type col equals blue in quotes, if of course we want the blue color, and then add a title by adding this main equals, and then in quotes we add a title. And so let's say histogram of, ad selections. Here we go. And we can also add a label to the x-axis. So same, we use in quotes, we add here ads, right? Because, basically what we'll have on the x-axis are going to be the labels of the ads. So that's why I'm adding here ads. And of course, let's add a y label, quotes, and let's say number of times each ad was selected. Great. And basically we're done. So now let's have a look. We will select this code section here and press Command and Control plus Enter to execute. And here is the histogram. And wow, we can clearly see that the ad number 5 is the ad that was most selected by the users. That is the ad that has the highest conversion rate. And therefore, no doubt, that's the ad we need to show to our users for the marketing campaigns of this cheap, brand new luxury SUV. So no doubt, the 5th ad, wonderful. We completed our job as a machine learning scientist, and so congratulations, we implemented a great algorithm. So now what we'll do is implement another algorithm to see if we can do better, and this other algorithm will be Thompson sampling algorithm. So let's see if Thompson sampling can beat UCB, and we'll find out in the next section. Until then, enjoy machine learning!